What's up everyone? Welcome to S-TEC. This week we're taking a look at something a bit unique from Gator Cases. This here is the Rolling Subwoofer bag. This guy is awesome if you have a subwoofer that doesn't have casters built in or doesn't have a caster option. The way this works is it's basically a giant speaker bag with a caster board built in. So we've got two zippers here. We pull them up. This flips up and velcros to the top so that way it stays out of the way. We roll it around, put our subwoofer in place, and flip. Now our subwoofer is in place, and the case is off and out of the way. Now to put it back on, it literally is the same thing. Just slides on, we flip it up, slide it in, this flips over, and we zip this back up. There's pockets on each side, there's handles on each side, as well as the front handles, and a strap for pulling it around. Visit GatorCases.com for more information. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something.